Exec Jet 175, contact departure, good day. Exec Jet 372, Naples Tower, turn right, heading 060, runway 5, Delta 1, clear for takeoff. 5, clear for takeoff, 060. Exec Jet 372, contact departure, good day. Jet speed 35, Naples Tower, turn right, heading 060, runway 5,
We say flight in interior is great. The PMDG did get. Oh, okay. So I never checked out that one, man. But you know what? You got me interested now. I want to check out that interior of that thing, man. Need at least 90 minutes of airtime flight, or I'm starting to riot. See, we can do better than this, huh? Don't want to beat y'all up too much, man.
Connie 31, Naples Tower, turn right, heading 060, runway 5, clear for takeoff.
I don't want to beat y'all up too much, man. We can keep her up in the sky a bit here. Cool.
Jet speed 35, contact
Do
departure, good
a
day.
later one tonight. Do another one today. And we'll extend that one out a little longer than an hour. How's that? Sounds good, man?
Connie 31, contact departure, good day.
Hour and a half, man, for you. How's that, man? Sounds good? We'll get that up, man.
33 November, where are you parking?
Bring her in now. Bring her in, y'all.
33 November, continue down the runway, right it out for 4, taxi straight into the ramp for minutes frequency, good day.
Indulge waypoint. And there it is. Indulge waypoint. Crossing that at, what do they want us at there? 2,100? At Indulge? Really? Oh, yes, they, no, 3,887. 2100 at Visaf waypoint.
November 6 Alpha, Naples Tower, turn right, heading 060, runway 5, clear for takeoff. November 6 Alpha, contact departure, good day. November 6503, uniform, Naples Tower, good morning, runway 5, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Okay, clear for takeoff, runway 5, proceed on course 6503. Tower 6503 uniform, what's Fort Myers Creek today?
They are on 126.8.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Naples Tower, Lamb 78 Papa Lima is 12 miles to the north end after landing.
Land 78 Papa Lima, Naples Tower, report to left, midfield downwind, runway 5.
Report left to midfield downwind, runway 05, 78.
Naples Tower, Air Center 75, the higher bridge.
Air Center 75, Naples Tower, runway 5, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Yeah, man, you can do that, man. I'm easy to please, man. We can knock that out, no
Papa
problem.
Lima, you can report at 2 mile left base, runway 5.
Make
2
sure
mile
we
left
get our
base
next
for
flight.
runway 5, 78.
A bit longer than this one.
Naples Tower 270, Romeo X-ray, holding short of runway 5, heading to departure.
270 Romeo X-ray, Naples Tower, hold short, runway 5, Delta 1.
Holding short, runway 5, Delta 1.
Hey, about to make a turn for this final here, y'all. Yeah, we're ready for it. We're ready for it.
Naples Tower, Air Center 74, holding short after runway 5.
Air Center 74, Naples Tower, roger.
All right, y'all, we about to show up on the map. There we are.
270 Romeo X-ray, fly runway heading, runway 5 Delta 1, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff. Runway 5, 270 Romeo X-ray. Runway heading.
Air Center 75, start the left turn, please.
Left turn, clear center 75.
8 Papa Lima, traffic to Cherokee, just off the departure end, northbound, climbing out of 600.
I would say that flight to BBJ has showers in it too. Damn, man, that's crazy, man. As long as I've never even looked at that yet, man.
Air Center 74, Naples Tower, fly runway heading, runway 5, full
Yo,
length,
what's
clear
up?
for takeoff.
What's up?
Full length,
What's up with the
takeoff,
flight, yo?
takeoff,
We gotta get our flight down, yo. Yeah, get altitude down, yo.
5 Alpha Charlie, are you headed towards the beach?
Was that for 5 Alpha Charlie?
Correction, Air Center 75, are you headed
Well, I
towards the
guess
beach?
not. Shit.
Negative. We'll be 360. Then we're going to call approach. Instrument 75.
Roger, and they're on 126.8 if you need them.
Thank you, sir.
There it is. There it is.
0 Romeo X-ray, proceed on course.
Proceeding on course, 270 Romeo X-ray.
All right, y'all. It's Brent Wren.
Answer 172 Foxtrot Papa with your 12 to the southeast, inbound, full stop, Foxtrot.
172 Foxtrot Papa, Naples Tower, report the right midfield downwind, runway 5.
Right midfield downwind for 2 Foxtrot Papa.
Air Center 74, proceed on course.
Air Center 74, proceeding on course.
Jet 320, turn right heading 060, runway 5, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 5, right 060, set at 320.
November 8 Papa Lima, runway 5, clear to land, 2 departures ahead.
Runway 5, clear to land, and got the 2 departures, 78 Papa Lima.
Get a little flaps here going. Slow down a bit there.
Nine 78 Papa Whiskey, Naples Tower, roger, hold short, runway 5. 119.75, and that's for exec jet 320, also 1975 for departure.
97.
Take off our autopilot. Bring her down.
Sync rate. Sync rate.
Exec jet 320, contact departure, good day.
Departure for Jet 320, good day.
Yes, tower 78 Papa Lima, 1.5 mile time.
Roger, and the winds are 090 at 10.
78 Papa Lima.
Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate. Sync rate.
Hey, 1 Foxtrot, Naples Tower, hold short 5 Delta 1.
30. 90. 15.
Hey, Papa Lima, where do you park?
Naples, shift to door.
Hey, Papa Lima, turn back.